Embarking on the journey to save your first $100,000 symbolizes a profound financial achievement, reflecting discipline, unwavering perseverance, and astute money management. Yet this path is riddled with challenges. In a world where expenses constantly multiply and unexpected costs can arise at any moment, attaining this financial milestone demands meticulous planning and an unyielding commitment to your monetary goals. While securing the first $100,000 is undoubtedly the most challenging phase, it acts as a pivotal gateway to an easier road toward wealth accumulation. Although the value of $100,000 has evolved, the core message remains resolute. Amassing wealth becomes notably simpler after overcoming these initial obstacles. Let's uncover the significant hurdles encountered along the way to saving your first $100,000. Before we dive in, I encourage you to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. This ensures you won't miss out on more invaluable content like what lies ahead. Let's begin escalating lifestyle expenses. Often known as lifestyle inflation or creep, it's the natural inclination to elevate spending as income increases, potentially undermining the ability to save money. As earnings rise, people tend to enhance their standard of living by investing in larger homes, newer cars, or enjoying lavish vacations and dining experiences. While these choices may provide immediate gratification, they perpetuate a cycle where expenses steadily ascend in line with income. This continuous uptick in spending leaves limited space for future savings and investments, cultivating a detrimental financial pattern that hampers substantial progress. Dependency on earnings and the need for investments. Initially, your net worth largely mirrors your earnings. Relying solely on income for wealth building results in a stagnant financial situation in the finance landscape. Even though a dependable paycheck ensures stability, it isn't adequate for significant prosperity without investments such as stocks, properties, or other ventures that generate income. Assets appreciate over time and offer passive income, serving as a financial safety cushion and fostering the potential for substantial growth. The impact of inflation. Inflation quietly diminishes the worth of your hard-earned money over time, rendering effective saving more challenging. It creates a race where your money must grow at a pace matching or surpassing the inflation rate merely to uphold its existing value. Individuals lacking substantial savings or investments find themselves most vulnerable to the detrimental effects of inflation. As prices escalate due to inflation, the purchasing power of money reduces, influencing one's capacity to save or invest for the future. This constant decline in the real value of money highlights the significance of seeking returns that outpace inflation for maintaining and growing wealth effectively. The soaring weight of housing expenses. Real estate prices, showing an upward trajectory across the globe, continue to challenge household budgets, consuming a substantial share of the average family's income. The impact of these soaring costs is particularly severe for young adults and new families, imposing significant financial burdens. This surge in housing prices creates a financial landscape where diverting resources towards building a financial safety net or long-term investments becomes a strenuous task. With a considerable chunk of income allocated to housing, individuals and families face limitations in accumulating emergency funds or saving for future financial endeavors. As housing costs persistently rise, households endure significant pressure, making it increasingly challenging for many to allocate funds beyond covering these escalating expenses. Challenges encountered in investing and portfolio development. Smaller investment portfolios often present a trajectory of gradual and occasionally unsatisfactorily slow growth, particularly during their initial stages. Nevertheless, through a combination of steadfast and regular contributions, astute investment decisions, and the invaluable element of time, these initially modest investments can progressively transform into more substantial gains. This underscores the significance of maintaining a long-term perspective when it comes to nurturing your investment portfolio. The journey involves remaining consistent, adhering to a well-thought-out investment strategy, and giving investments the opportunity to mature over time. Patience and steadfastness are key, as these small investments lay the groundwork for potential future financial successes. The distribution of one's net worth often involves being tied up in assets that do not inherently increase in value. This allocation in assets that don't appreciate poses a constraint on generating significant returns, thereby restricting the expansion of overall net worth. However, when one's net worth scales up, a larger pool of investment capital emerges. This increased investment capacity opens the door to higher potential returns and establishes a foundation for one's net worth to experience exponential growth over an extended period. By allocating more resources into appreciating assets, the potential for wealth creation and financial growth multiplies, thereby enhancing the prospects of achieving financial goals and stability in the long run. Saving your initial $100,000 undoubtedly presents challenges, yet it's a feasible milestone to reach. With conscientious spending, effective debt management, strategic preparation for emergencies, and wise investment decisions, you can surmount these obstacles. These actions will propel you toward achieving your financial objectives sooner than expected. Maintaining discipline and focus is key. Every tiny step you take today, no matter how gradual the financial progress might seem initially, is a decisive stride toward securing your financial future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the financial hurdles and strategies to reach your first $100,000. We hope this insight inspires and guides you in your pursuit of financial security and wealth accumulation. Remember, your financial goals are within your grasp. Take that step no matter how small today. Your financial future begins now. If you found this information valuable, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more essential financial tips. Together, let's pave the way to financial success and build a secure future.